Alright, so what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm pretty excited because we have an unboxing to do on this channel. As you guys can probably see by the title, we have something special that I'm actually excited to open and actually see in person. And no, this is not a pair of sneakers or anything, and I actually haven't even bought my first pair of shoes of 2018. Yeah, there was a couple drops in January, but I didn't really go for any of them. But February, Jordan brand is going to be dropping a whole bunch of fire. We have a whole bunch of shoes dropping in February, and I'm hyped. So yes, stay tuned for some more sneaker unboxings later on. But today we have something different. We have this big ass box right here. Hold on, I'll try to show you guys this box. If I can lift this up, maybe I can put it on here. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. All right, one, 2, 3. Oh god. I don't know if you guys can see this. All right, let me see if I can do this. All right, bang. Can you guys see this big ass box? You probably can't even see the full box. You can probably just see parts of the box. All right, but this is the big ass box right here. Oh god, it's kind of heavy, but yeah, we have this big ass box, so we got unboxed, and there's something pretty cool. I'm excited to see this in person, but yeah, I don't know why it came in this big ass box. I honestly thought it would just come in something like a medium box, but it came in this. So yeah, I don't know how big this is, but enough talking. Let's get right into let's see what's in this box. So got my knife. So you guys are probably wondering what's in here. Is it a whole bunch of shoes? No, it's not shoes. It's actually something cool, something different, something exciting. All right, so I don't know. All right, we got it open. I hope you guys can see this. Let's move it over here. We have, oh my god. All right, so we have this, I guess, to protect it or whatever. Put that to the side. And bruh. All right, so let me just get it out this box, and I'll be back. I got it out of the big ass box. As you guys can see, oh god, there's nothing else in this box. So yeah, we'll try to put this somewhere over there. Oh my god, this thing is so fucking huge. That's what she said. So when you guys see this, you guys are probably gonna be like, JMex, why did you buy this big thing? JMex, what the fuck is wrong with you? JMex, how much did this thing cost? Alright, I guess I'll just show you guys. Well, it comes in this bag. Wait, hold on, let me see if you guys can see this. We have the a soccer ball. We have the jumbo match ball replica FIFA World Cup, the Russia 2018 World Cup ball right here. And obviously, as you guys can see, this is not your normal size soccer ball. This motherfucker is huge. I just gotta find my pump. Yeah. So you can actually pump this. I don't know if you guys can see this. There's a little hole right there where you put the pump needle to inflate this thing. So I'll be back. I'm gonna go find my pump and yeah. I found my pump. This thing is a little pump compared to this big ass thing right here. So I don't know how long this is gonna take me, and as you guys can see, I kind of like lowered down my camera so you guys can kind of see this big ass ball. But let me just inflate it first, and yeah, hopefully this doesn't take too long.
A few moments later.
Almost there, I guess. My hands are tired. It should have came with like a warning sign or something, like warning, might need a big ass pump for this big ass ball. We're getting there, I guess.
1 hour later.
I had to go take off my sweater. Like, this is a workout. If you want to work out, all you gotta do is order one of these big ass things, get a little pump, and you're set.
2 hours later.
I'm almost there. As you guys can see, the ball is kind of shaping up, but yeah, we still got a long way to go. Alright guys, so about like 20 minutes, it's been like 25 minutes already. Yeah, past 25 minutes I've been trying to inflate this ball. I kind of inflated it, as you guys can see. I mean, like, I still got to inflate it a little bit more so it can get that fully circle shape. But yeah, I'm tired. Like, I'm gonna be honest, guys. Like, if you guys are getting one of these, make sure to get like one of those bike pumps, cause if you do it with this little guy right here, you're done. Like, it's gonna take like a whole day to pump it. But yeah, we have the jumbo size soccer ball right here. This is the World Cup ball for this year. As you guys can see, this is a jumbo size, so this is obviously not the official match ball. I actually have a size 5. Guys, I'm tired. I've been pumping this ball. I have a size 5 ball right here. This is a Nike ball. I actually do have the 2014 World Cup Bazooka ball, so let me go try to find that. Alright, so as you guys can see, we have the official match ball for the 2014 Brazil World Cup. This is the Bazooka right here, and this is a size 5. You know, this is your regular size soccer ball that you'll use in any matches, unless you play for youth, then you go like size 4. But this is a size 5. This is an official match ball. Yeah, look at this. This is a nice, decent size, you know, size 5. And then you have this big ass ball right here, and this thing is just massive. Now you're probably wondering, why did you get this ball? Why is it so huge? What are you gonna do with this? Well, you know, when I first saw this, I was like, I gotta have it. Obviously you can't really play with this. I mean, I guess you can just like pass it around, you know, just for fun. You can't really play a match with this, or else, I don't know, you'll break your foot or something. But it's pretty much for like a souvenir. And I actually do have an idea that I want to do with this ball right here. So, you know, I don't know, we'll see later on in the future if we do that video idea that I have planned. You guys see it, and if we don't, then yeah, that video will never be made. I am gonna try to get the official, you know, size 5 ball of this version, but you know, a smaller, like this size right here. But just look at this. Look at this. This compared to this big ass thing right here. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm tired. I'm sorry. But yeah, and this ball is not even like fully pumped yet. So and I'm actually surprised. This material that they use in the soccer ball is like, I don't even know what to call it, honestly. It's kind of like the same material on this ball, like leather. It's not leather. What the fuck? I don't even know what to call this. Like, if you guys know, I know some of you guys know what I'm talking about. It has like this smooth finish to it. It's not like the official match ball, which has like these bump. It has like a texture to it. If you guys know what I'm talking about, you guys know. And this is the same design, pretty much same thing as the small FIFA World Cup 2018 ball, except obviously it's just a fucking huge ball. And yeah, cool design, black, white, gray. You got your FIFA World Cup Russia 2018 logo right there. As you guys can see, it says Jumbo Match Ball Replica right there. The Telstar 18. And obviously your Adidas logo right there. And yeah, you know, this is a big ass soccer ball. I'm trying to show you guys all of the angles of this thing, but it's heavy. It's kind of heavy, not gonna lie. Now this thing right here, retail is like $300. I didn't pay that, so you know, shout out to soccer.com for those discount codes and coupons, because that came in handy for this. I didn't pay fully retail. I wasn't planning on paying fully retail, but when I saw the price that I could get this for, I had to pull the trigger. But yeah, I'm happy to have this in a collection, I guess. Obviously this is like a souvenir, but like I said, I have a video idea. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. We'll see. You know, this World Cup is in like a couple months, like 130 something days left for the World Cup. I'm excited, and make sure to stay tuned, because I am going to have some World Cup kind of videos. I don't know, I have some ideas I kind of want to do on this channel. So if you guys are excited for the World Cup, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more World Cup videos on this channel. And yeah, you know, comment down below or like this video if you guys want to like have a 1v1 with this big ass soccer ball in my backyard. Yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and if you're excited for the World Cup this year. It feels like it was just last year that we just had the World Cup 2014, but it's been about 4 years, which is crazy to think about, because honestly it doesn't even feel like 4 years. But anyway guys, I'm out. Me and my big ass ball are out. And yeah, more World Cup videos coming towards this channel. And I'm out. I'm tired from pumping this thing. And like I said, if you guys are planning on buying this, make sure to get a big pump. Don't do it with a little pump, because yeah, you're not gonna get anywhere, honestly. But yeah, I am out. Me and my ball are out. Peace.